So earlier I mentioned to you about a creek that comes down through the property. So this is a part of that creek. You can see how beautiful and lush and green it is here right now. It's a shaded area as well. So it goes all the way up there, up around the corner. Lovely big crevices in the land bank. Come around here to this area. And there's a big pipe in the road just to divert the water so we can get across. And then you come over to this side, which is absolutely beautiful. There's a big forest up there. Right the way along is the forest, but I'll show you this bit here first. So this is the rest of the creek bed that goes down, and you can see how beautiful and lush and green. I think this space down here lends itself to a picnic area because of how shaded it is, but also how green and balanced. And then we get back out into the dry, and we're getting out into the dry because the bank's eroded quite badly, and there's a strategy we've got to put in place in time to work out how to make that better. And I think a creeper up the bank would be good, and to clear all the, as you can see, there's lots and lots of big dry piles of branches and stuff in there. But that's the rest of the creek. It goes down here and goes all the way down past through those trees. You can see some more green down there. So that's the rest of the creek area. And then if we come here, we come back up to the caretaker area, and we've got an area just here. Looks a bit messy, but that's what we call the service area. So it's got all the things that people have donated to us. We're very, very grateful for them, and they're the things that we use when we're building out here. We come over here first to see what we can get our hands on, and then work out how we're going to do it. There's some more of that creek bed down there. I tend not to pick kill the blackberries, because when we have the volunteers here, they actually have a very good time picking and eating those blackberries. There's my joke for the day, haha. That's for Father's Day joke, haha. Yeah, so here we are, back to the starting point, and there's the potting shed up there, which I'm going to go to soon and plant some seeds in the market gardens. Alright, bye for now.